nanone ntibarekeye aho si ukuvuga gusa bavuze ko bahora ku mavi kandi uyu munsi batagomba nanone kureka gutakambira Imana mu gahinda kenshi n'umuborogo batakiye Nyagasani bavuga ati Imana rengera ubwoko bwacu urengere abababaye aboroheje barimo gusukwaho ibisasu byinshi umunsi ijoro n'amanywa mu isengesho riteye agahinda amarira ndetse n'agahinda. Reka tubahe ikaze mwese mudukurikiye kuri Turino TV nk'uko bisanzwe n'abatubonye bwa mbere. Ahangaha rero turi twatembereye ku munsi mukuru w'abagore ku isi nk'uko bizwi cyangwa se bifatwa. Uyu munsi akaba ari umunsi isi yose yizihiza umunsi mukuru cyangwa se umunsi w'abategarugori cyangwa se twavuga ngo abagore n'abakobwa cyangwa se igitsina gore. Aho mperereye nasuye itsinda ry'ababyeyi nabo bizihije uyu munsi ariko uko tubitekereza cyangwa uko tubibona siko biri. Aho twabasanze Mucyimbo cyo kunezererwa uyu munsi wabo wahariwe kwishimira cyangwa kureba iterambere ry'umugore ibo siko bimeze. Bibutse ko uyu munsi ari tariki 8 z'ukwezi kwa gatatu 2026 umunsi uzwi nka Le 8 Mars. Le 8 Mars rero ni umunsi bakunda kwita umunsi w'abagore aho aba babyeyi ku isi bahura bagasangira n'imiryango bakishima bagahabwa indabo cyangwa se amawuwa bakareba n'ibyo bagezeho. Yewe umunsi abagore bavuga bati natwe ni umunsi twahawe ijambo bahavugira amajambo atandukanye ku isi ariko kuri aba bo mureba ahangaha siko byagenze ntabwo bo baje kwishima. Mu cyimbo cyo kwishima bahuriye hamwe batubwira icyabahurije hano hamwe mu gahinda kenshi n'umubabaro amarira ndetse n'umuborogo mu maso yabo n'ibyo bavuga biragenda bigaragara. Bavuga bati uyu munsi rero twebwe ntabwo twishimye kubera ibibazo turi guhura nabyo ubwoko bwacu nk'abanyamurenge ndetse n'abatutsi muri rusange. Bongeye kandi bagaragaza umubabaro bavuga bati uyu munsi isi yose irimo kwishima, isi irimo gucelebratinga cyangwa kwizihiza kwibohora k'umugore, kwishira ukizana k'umugore ariko twebwe twabwiriwe titwishimanye n'imiryango yacu n'abo dukunda, abagabo bacu, abana bacu, inshuti n'abavandimwe. Turi mu gahinda kibiri kubera iwacu. Uyu munsi drone iri hejuru iri kurasa ababyeyi. Leta ya Congo iri guca ababyeyi amabere. Tihereye none imaze hafi imyaka 9 ndetse kandi bavuze ko uyu munsi aha bahagaze aha mubabona abagore bose b'abanyamurenge ku isi barimo gukora igikorwa nk'iki cyo kwereka isi ko yabatereranye kandi leta ya Congo irimo kubica ifatikanyije n'imitwe itandukanye muri buze kugenda mwumva. Ikindi kandi bakavuga ko isi ibatererana yabavuniye ibiti mu matwi ntago ibumva barataka ababyeyi barabyarira ku misozi. Mu ijambo rikomeye madamu ashikirije isi yose yarivuze mu Cyongereza mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. Reka tuze kumukurikira twumva uko yabivuze.
Distinguished guests, respected leaders, members of the international community, and my dear sisters and brothers, today the world celebrates the International Women's Day, a day meant to honor the dignity, strength, and resilience of women every day, everywhere. The International Women's Day is celebrated every month of 8th to accelerate gender parity while calling for action to challenge gender inequality, raise awareness on issues like the pay gap and violence against women, and foster unity, solidarity, and action for more just and inclusive world. But for many women in my community, the Banyamulenge women of the Democratic Republic of Congo, this day does not feel like a celebration. For them, this day feels like a cry for survival. Today, while many women celebrate progress, opportunity, and empowerment, Banyamulenge women are struggling simply to stay alive. They are mothers who wake up each morning not knowing if their children will live to see the next day. They are daughters whose bodies have become battlefields. They are grandmothers who have watched entire village disappear in flames. Since 2017, more than 1,500 Banyamulenge people have lost their lives in violent attacks targeting our community. These are not just statistics. Behind these numbers are faces, names, and stories. And behind many of those stories are women left alone, women who have become widows overnight, women who must now raise children alone in a land where safety no longer exists. Today, the number of widows grows every week due to repetitive attacks against civilians Banyamulenge. And with it grows a generation of children forced to grow up in trauma and uncertainty. For many Banyamulenge women, violence has taken a particularly cruel form. Women have been raped and brutalized by armed militias and government forces. Their bodies have been used as a weapon of war. Sexual violence has been systematically used to humiliate, terrorize, and destroy our community. Examples of rapes perpetrated against Banyamulenge women are legion. For instance, on the 18th April 2020, two Banyamulenge women by names Nyamwiza Francine and Nyiramutarutwa Naziraje were tortured and killed by the Mai Mai after being subjected to the most atrocious forms of torture and humiliating acts of sexual violence. The graphic image of the mutilated bodies reminisces of the tragic fate of many killed women in Rwanda during the 1994 genocide against Tutsi. Lived one without words. The victims were part of a group of half a dozen of women who left the precarious place of refuge in Minembwe in desperation and headed to their neighboring village to harvest some food. On their journey, they were attacked by Mai Mai groups who captured 3 women and a man, Adoni Sebarenz, who was also killed. Account from the sole female survivor, freed after intense negotiation, raised concerns about the ambiguous role played by some soldiers in the DRC, regular army FRDC in this, but also similar attacks that have been taking place for more than 5 years now. Many women now live with physical injuries, lifelong trauma, and disease resulting from this assault, and yet their suffering often remain invisible to the world. What makes this tragedy even deeper is that Banyamulenge women cannot even rely on the basic structures that normally protect civilians. To date, more than 550 villages have been destroyed. Over 131 schools have been burned. At least 41 health centers have been destroyed. This means children cannot learn, the sick cannot be treated, and mothers cannot protect their families. Even the very foundation of our survival have been attacked. Nearly 600 million cattle, the primary livelihood of our people, have been looted or seized by militias and government forces for the Banyamulenge people. For the Banyamulenge people, cattle are not only wealth, they are food, education, dignity, and the future of our children. When those cattle disappear, families lose everything. Our community has also faced religious persecution. The Banyamulenge are predominantly Christians, people of deep faith, who find strength in prayer, even in the darkness times. Yet more than 50 churches have been destroyed simply because of our identity. Even our places of worship, space meant for peace and hope, have not been spared. At the same time, over 500 individuals have been arbitrarily detained simply because they are Tutsi. Their crime is not what they have done. Their crime is who they are. Today, Banyamulenge women live under humanitarian blockade imposed by armed forces operating in the region. Food cannot reach them. Medicine cannot reach them. Humanitarian assistance is restricted. Imagine trying to raise a child with no access to health care, no food supplies, and constant fear of violence. Imagine trying to protect your daughter, knowing that armed men may attack your village at any moment. This is the daily reality for Banyamulenge women. Since 2023, officially, Burundi deployed in troops in eastern DRC based on bilateral agreement between the two countries. Burundi's deployment to eastern DRC became a critical factor in worsening the crisis. Credible reports confirmed the presence of over 10,000 Burundian troops occupying strategic position in the whole plateau of Minembwe. Along the FRDC Wazalendo and FDLR element, these forces have launched attacks against Banyamulenge civilians and enforced restrictions on the circulation of essential goods. Rather than fostering peace, the Burundian militia present has intensified hatred and violence. We call for independent investigation into the collaboration between government forces and armed militias, including the FDLR, in the crime committed against Tutsi Banyamulenge civilians in DRC. We call for accountability for perpetrators of violence, including those responsible for sexual violence against women. We call for the establishment of humanitarian corridor so that food, medicine, and aid can reach the people who desperately need them. We call for an end to impunity for hate speech and dehumanization, which fuel violence and genocide. And we must also speak about something many prefer not to discuss, the role of natural resources. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals and power that powers the global economy. But minerals must never become more valuable than human life. Economic partnership and minerals deal must not become a green light for violence against minority. Human dignity must always come before mineral trade. Because when the world chooses mineral over people, it sends a dangerous message that some lives are negotiable, that some communities are disposable. We reject that message. Today, on International Women's Day, we honor the courage of Banyamulenge women, women who continue to stand even when everything around them collapses, women who carry hope even when surrounded by darkness, women who refuse to let violence define their future. Their voices deserve to be heard. Their suffering deserves to be recognized, and their dignity deserves to be defended. Let this day not only be a day of celebration, let it also be a day of conscious, a day when the world finally chose justice over silence, protection over indifference, and humanity over politics, because no woman, no matter where she lives, should have fight simply for the right to live in peace. Thank you, and may justice, dignity, and peace prevail. Thank you.
Aba bavyeyi rero nkuko mubareba nanone ntibarekeye aho si ukuvuga gusa, bavuze ko bahora ku mavi kandi uyu munsi batagomba nanone kureka gutakambira Imana mu gahinda kenshi n'umuborogo. Batakiye Nyagasani bavuga ati Imana rengera ubwoko bwacu, urengere abababaye, aboroheje barimo gusukwaho ibisasu byinshi umunsi ijoro n'amanywa, mu isengesho riteye agahinda, amarira ndetse n'agahinda. Basenga Imana bavuga bati Mana y'Abanyamurenge, Mana unamura ingota. Ngira ngo murareba agahinda barimo gusengana. Ati isi yaradutereranye iranadusiganira, atariko ubuhungiro bwacu niko
bararuze nk'abamama indege zibari hejuru amaboko yacu gusaba barakubereye kugira ngo natwe turi muri aya magambo niwe wite kuyashyize mutabazi wacu mwami turengera mu bihe bikomeye, niwe watubabaranye n'abakobwa ariko watubabaranye n'abakesura, uyu mugoroba watubabaranye n'abapfakazi uri mugoroba wibukari amaraso kurira imisozi turagutwikira wibuka n'abana bacu Mana we twarareye ku misozi ikomeye kandi nami Yesu yabyishima bacu turasohoka batwabaye amatongo Mana watwarasenze bwacu abana bacu bikomeye abasabakuru n'abasabakuru naturani watamukiye Mana yacu turakora yacu Mana dufite abandi bacu baze bakora baze kukubwira tugukenere muri gereza zose abantu baraturanganye ariko ntabwo duseka ko twaje kubwira Mana twaje kubwira twaje kwiyereka igihugu cyacu ariko dushobora imbere y'abana bacu uyu munsi mugoroba watangiye utibuke Mana mugoroba wahagarara Mana uyu mugoroba arahagaze bikubwira cyagicu cyawe w'Abisiraheli turashagaza Mana Yesu abari kugamba abantu bawe barinda n'inzara ikomeye isi twayitakiye ntiyumvise ariko Imana uyu mugoroba Mana urakoze Mana urakoze Mana urakoze bamupfukamye turakurengeye dutabare kuko tugenda n'isi niyo bavuga bigakura isi ryacu niyo bari nubwo tukubwira bakaduhindurira icyizere mu wundi turakora icyizere turacyakugira icyizere kuri Mana urakoze Mana Yesu turi hano Mana kubwo kubabazwa na bene data abana bacu abasore bacu abahungu bacu n'abakobwa Mana Yesu abakecuru baba batanagurirwa ku misozi batazi icyo wakoze bazira uko wabaremye ntabwo twihitiyemo kuba abanyamurenge niwe waturemye uko tumeze niyo mpamvu turi hano Mana wumva amagana yacu data wagira icyo ukora uyu mugoroba wagira icyo uhindura ejo tukumva amakuru meza Mana
ni mu izina ryawe Yesu dusenze Mana
turagushimiye ko ibi byose uzumvishije turagushima ko aya majwi yacu uyageza aho agomba kugera ariko ahambere ni wowe tuyashyizeho nawe ugenda uyakwirakwize mu bami bose n'abategetsi ni wowe twiringiye Mwami Yesu urakoze Mana yacu
Izina ryawe
ko wumvishije amajwi yacu kandi ukayatugereza aho agomba kugera Mwami. Izina ryawe rikomeze rishizwe hejuru, tituragukuraho icyizere, turacyagifite kuko n'ibindi warabikoze Mana. Niyo mpamvu turi hano, aba bakeya wadusigarije, niyo mpamvu dufatanyije na bene data. Urakoze Mwami Yesu kutwumvishije kandi ukabidukorera mu izina ryawe Yesu. Amen.
Nanone twegereye bamwe mu bayoboye abandi ndetse n'abandi gusa twatoye sample random cyangwa se tutagendeye ku mirimo yabo cyangwa se ubuyobozi. Umva amagambo ateye agahinda batubwiye. Muriyumvira ko isi ngo yabatereranye ndetse ikabahana mu maboko y'umwanzi bakicwa isi rebera. Aba babyeyi rero bagize icyo bavuga gitandukanye, ndetse bamwe batubwiye ukuntu bagaya bamwe mu bo mu bwoko bwabo bagambanira cyangwa batumva ukwigwanaho ndetse no kwibohora iyi ngoma irimo kubamara. Babigarutseho bavuga bati biteye isoni, biteye n'ikimwaro. Reka twiyumvire ababyeyi uko babivuze.
Bonye ko tutishima, nta munsi wo kwishima twebwe. Ibyo abandi bagezeho twebwe ntitwabigezeho nk'abakongomani, kandi natwe twaravutse turi gitsina gore. Uyu munsi twaje aha hejuru yo kubabarana na bagenzi bacu bari ku musozi. Hariho ababyeyi babyariye ku musozi, hari abandi barimo gusuka inda, hari abandi barimo gufatwa ku ngufu. Bene wacu bagize ibyago tutobona uko tuvuga, byaraturenze. Nta bandi bantu babaye impunzi mu gihugu cyabo n'abanyamurenge. Abanyamurenge barahinze abandi bararya, abanyamurenge barorora abandi bararya. Abanyamurenge nibo bagize inkambi mu gihugu cyabo, kandi niyo nkambi ntibayiboneramwe amahoro, barapfa uko bwije n'uko bukeye. Abantu batazi iwacu mu Minembwe murimo kumva ayo makuru mukagira ngo ni ibintu byoroshe. Aho umwanzi ari ntabwo ari kure. Nk'abantu bari Gakenke ntibakiba mu mazu, abantu bari kuri Karongi ntibakiba mu mazu, abantu bari mu Mikenke ntibakiba mu mazu, Abanyakaringi barahunze. Twagize ibyago tutobona uko tuvuga, usibye Imana yo mu ijuru, kuko twaratatse nta batwumvishije. Twageze ahakomeye ntibadukinguriye. Ubu ni ukubwira Imana gusa kuko nta handi dufite tuvuga. Drone ntitwari tuzi n'izina rya drone, twayibwiwe n'intambara, ntitwari tuyizi. Abanyamurenge uko twabayeho twari tuzi ko ari uguhinga no korora inka. Abadamu bakuze bazi kuko ari uguteka gusa no kurya, ariko ibintu za drone ntitwari tubizi. Intwaro zose zacuzwe bagiye kuzigishiriza mu bwoko bwacu niyo zihazikorera. Drone iri ku mutwe, drone iri ku bana, iri ku bagabo n'abagore. Abasaza bacu bahiriye mu nzu. Jewe wayivuga data buko yahiriye mu nzu. Jewe wayivuga uno munsi ndumucikacumu w'ikareme muri 1998. Ico gihe twagize ibyago bikomeye. Twatoranijwe n'abandi twari twubatse dutuye mu mihana kimwe n'abandi, baraza baraturobanura guhera ku isura gusa. Isura yonyine udafite ukuntu wayigira. Baradufata baragenda baradufunga, tuja muri prison centrale. Abadamu turabohwa, turatotezwa, duhura n'ibintu bikomeye. Aho twari turi habyariye abadamu babiri babyarira muri prison. Kubona umuvyeyi wabyariye muri prison atagira ihuzu, atagira amazi, ivyo ngivyo biragoye cyane. Ariko twagize ibihe bikomeye tutobona uko tuvuga. Ariko Imana yo mu ijuru, n'ubu kuva ico gihe 98 navutse ibitabihaba, navutse intambara zibaho, ndashaka intambara zihaba kugeza n'uyu munsi mpagaza ahangaha ndi umuvyeyi ufite abuzukuru, ariko intambara ntiziratuva ku mutwe. Usibye Imana yo mu ijuru yadutabara, naho haciho harasa naho dusa nabihebye. Ariko Imana itazikiranirwa. Imana yabanye natwe icyo gihe, twegwa baha bavuga twacitse ku icumu, ntibadusize ariko twamenye kwisigura. Nta peve twari dufite guca kuko nta cyaha twari twakoze. Barishe bica abagabo basiga abadamu. Hariho umudamu muramukazi wanje niwe wapfuye, ari umwe ari umudamu umwe, ariko abagabo bose umwana wese wari witwa umuhungu yarapfuye, usibye abana n'abahungu twasigaje twambise ikanzu, naho abandi bose bari bambaye amapataro bapfanye n'abagabo. Kubera iyo mpamvu gusa umuntu agapfa uko yavutse, umuntu akazira uko asa. N'ubu ntidufite ikintu gishobora kiturengera usibye Imana yo mu ijuru. Kubw'iyo mpamvu twaje ahangaha nk'abamama kugira ngo dukomange uwatugirira imbabazi, uwatwumva, uwaturengera, agafatikanya n'Imana yo mu ijuru kugira ngo bino byago bituve ku mutwe, kugira ngo bene wacu babeho kimwe n'abandi. Twaremwe kimwe n'abandi, nta mpamvu yotuma tutabaho, tugomba kubaho. Babishaka batabishaka tuzobaho, kuko nanje uri hano uhagaze aha ngaha, kuba ngihagaze kuva icyo gihe 98 ntabwo ntasimpuwe bangiriye, usibye Imana yo mu ijuru yagize gute, yandengeye. Kubw'iyo mpamvu nta kindi tworenzaho, ni ukuvuga ngo mwihangane. Bene wacu bari ku musozi, tuzi ko hari ababyeyi benshi bahababyarira ku musozi bishwe n'inzara. Muri kino kinyejana ubwoko bwacu nibwo butaha burya umunyu, nibwo budafite isabune. Umubyeyi karabyara ntamese, uwagize amahirwe akabyara umwana ushitse ntafite icyo amugaburira, ntafite uko amumesera, ntafite icyo amwambika. Umubyeyi karabyara ntarye, ni umunyamurenge, ariko abandi bose muri kino gihe bafite amahoro, usibye ikintu cyitwa umututsi gusa nicyo kidafite amahoro. Kubw'iyo mpamvu turatakira Imana hamwe n'abantu bashobora kuturengera, kubaturengere. Murakoze.
Murakoze cyane. Uyu munsi turi aha ngaha nk'abagore b'abanyamurenge. Ku mazina kwanza nyitwa Josephine Nyantegereza, ndi umukobwa w'umunyamurenge cyangwa ndi umugore w'umunyamurenge. Iwacu nanje navukiye iriya ruguru ku misozi, ni iwacu niho hari kubera intambara uyu munsi. Rero twahuriye hano nk'abagore b'abanyamurenge cyangwa abakobwa, twaje kuvuga akababaro kacu, twaje kukabwira isi, twaje kukabwira abategetsi, twaje kukabwira n'abagore bashobora kuba bakomeye muri guverinoma zose za hano ku isi, barebe umubabaro wacu dufite. Uyu munsi ni umunsi w'umubabaro, aho abandi ari umunsi w'ibyishimo. Abandi basohotse n'imiryango yabo baranezerewe, ariko twebwe turababaye. Ikitubabaje ko turababazwa n'abantu baremwe nkatwe, kandi natwe Imana yaturemye ntabwo yibeshe, twisanze muri kiriya gihugu nta ruhare twabigizemo, ariko abantu bashaka kubidukuramo. Rero duhagaze hano twamagana abo bantu kandi dutakira isi kugira ngo itwumve. Turereka igihugu cyacu cya Congo dufite perezida wacu, ariko perezida wenyine niwe twabonye mu gihugu ciwe ahindura abantu impunzi. Mu bwoko bwacu niho twabonye baryamo umuntu bakamuhindura inyama bagafata bakamurya ari umuntu, kandi umuntu mu mateka y'isi ntaho umuntu araribwa, ariko umuntu yariwe mu gihugu cyacu. Ibyo bintu biratubabaje nk'abamama. Abamama bagenzi bacu ubu nyine dufite ikibazo, ubwoko bwacu ntabwo buri kwiyongera, ahubwo ko buragenda bushira. Abo twari dufite bari kubyara, umumama akaratwita, drone yamuja hejuru agasuka inda, uwo mwana nawe akaba arapfuye. Dufite abana bari kwicwa n'intambara, dufite n'abandi bari kwicwa na drone. Abamama bagenzi bacu ko barahahamuka kubera ibibazo bya drone. Rero turahamagarira isi, turahamagarira abagore batwumva bavuganira abandi bagore, kuko ari igihe natwe baturengere muri bino bihe turi gucamo tutisanzwemo, tutagizemo uruhare. Kandi ico dusaba, turamagana Uburundi, turamagana n'ibindi bihugu, turamagana Tanzania. Tanzania tuzi ko iyobowe n'umugore, turamubwira nimba ashobora kumva ururimi tuvuga atwumve, kubera yuko ibyo ari gukora rwose turasaba kugira ngo baturenganure. Uburenganzira turabukeneye, babuduheze, kuko natwe turabamama nkabo bagenzi babo. Dukeneye kurera abana bacu kugira ngo babeho neza. Abana bacu ntibari kwiga, abana bacu ntibari kurya, abana bacu bari ku misozi. Inzu twiyubakiye ntawo uyizuduhaye barazitwitse, amatungo yacu twari tworoye barayanyaze. Rero duhagaze hano dutakira amahanga, dutakira isi kugira ngo batwumve. Iwacu bari mu kumaranira batera, nta muhanda ubayo, nta mazu y'amagorofa ahari, ariko biratangaje cyane isi yose guhaguruka ngo uje kurimbura umunyamurenge. Rero turahagaze hano nk'ababyeyi bababyaye abaperezida, babyaye abagabo bategetse ibihugu, ni twebwe twababyaye. Rero ubusabe bwacu nk'abamama turasaba kugira ngo baturenganure, badukureho iriya nkota, badukureho ziriya za drone. Abamama bagenzi bacu nabo bagira amahoro, babyare, bororoke, kandi bagume mu miryango yabo, abature mu mazu yabo bubatse. Turasaba kugira ngo badukureho iriya drone ya buri joro, ya buri gitondo, abantu ntibagihinga. Igihugu cyacu cyangwa ubwoko bwacu nibwo bwimwe umunyu mu isi, ko barajya ibiryo bitagira umunyu. N'ibyo biryo abantu baraza bakabikura mu mazu bakabitwika. Abantu bavuga ngo baje gutabara igihugu barangiza bagafata imyaka bakayitwika. Ibyo bintu biratubabaje nk'abamama. Rero turatakira abamama bagenzi bacu bashobora gukomanga mu maofisi atandukanye ku isi baturenganure kuko ibihe turi gucamo ntabwo bitworoheye. Rero ko turabatakira kugira ngo batwumve kandi two turatakira n'Imana, kandi Imana iri mu ruhande rwacu. Imihanda iri mu ruhande rw'abarengana, izaturenganura uko bimeze kose. Murakoze.
Nawe dusanze muri aba ntabwo wishimye urebye ku maso yawe, agahinda turakabona mu maso, ariko wenda ndakubaza ikibazo gitandukanye. Muri abadamu b'abanyamurenge, muri abakobwa b'abanyamurenge, ariko muri abanyamurenge hari bamwe batemera ko muri abanyamurenge bari kwishwa. Niki wababwira abo bantu batemera impfu kandi tubona bigaragara mu maso yanyu munabihamya ko hari abishwa?
Ubajije ikibazo cyiza. Biratangaje cyane kumva ko hari umuntu utari kumva kuko umunyamurenge ari kwicwa. N'uwo nguwo uri kuvuga kuko nta kintu kiri gukorwa iwacu, yaba aratubwiye ati iyo hazoza ahubwo umwe azavuga ati mu muryango wanje twebwe nta muntu uragirwaho n'ingaruka z'intambara, kuko ingaruka ziri kuri twese n'abirengagiza ukuri. Iyo ni distraction batuzanamo gusa kugira ngo duhuge tuje mu gahuge k'ibyo ngibyo, ariko ndabizi neza ndashidikanya kuko twese iyo ntambara tugezeho ingaruka hatabuzemwo no.
Urakoze cyane. Wampera undi umwe nkamubaza ikibazo kimwe gusa, ndabona murababaye ariko nditworeka kubabaza. Igira hino mama. Muvyeyi, nawe turakubona na gahinda n'umubabaro mwinshi nk'abandi bose. Bavuye kubivuga ibikorerwa mu ntambara, abanyamurenge bari kwicwa, ariko muri nk'abadamu mu cyimbo cyo kwishima murababaye. Ni iyihe message cyangwa n'ubwo butumwa wabwira abari kubicamo noneho babandi uzi basize ku ivuko, mubona abari gufusha abana, abari gusigwa n'abagabo, abari ku mikikira, abari kunyagirwa? Ni iyihe message y'inkomezi cyangwa se y'ihumure waba?
Murakoze kuduha ijambo.
Urasa nk'uzamura ijwi.
Murakoze kuduha ijambo. Ngewe uri kuvuga ngewe ubwanjye, data yishwe na bamayimayi mu 2002, mu 2000 cyangwa 2002 sinibuka neza. Bamwiciye kuri Gatobwe. Yari yaherekeje muri muna wanje aje mu Rwanda, araharara kuri Gatobwe. Iryo joro barahatera, yitwa Pahuro Bagera n'umutuganyi wo mu Bibango. Aharaye aho hantu yararaye barahatera, baramwica, bamwicanye n'umwuzukuru wo muri urwo rugo yari yaraye. Urumva intambara tuyimaze mu gihe kinini cyane.
Bamuziza ko ari umunyamurenge.
Bamwizije ko ari umunyamurenge kuko niho bateye muri uwo muhanda baramwica. Urumva ko ntabwo ari uyu munsi intambara ibaye. Tumaze igihe kinini dufite imibabaro kandi hari abantu benshi bababaye, ariko ico nabaha nk'ihumure nibakomere, turi kumwe n'Imana. Imana yo mu ijuru iyabanye n'Abisiraheli kuva kera, natwe iri kumwe natwe, twizeye neza ko izadutabara kandi turi kumwe nayo. Naho abirengagiza ibyo bazi, abo bose igihe nikigera Imana yo mu ijuru izakora imirimo n'ibitangaza, kandi tuzatera hejuru twishime tuvuge imirimo n'ibitangaza Imana izaba yadukoreye. Nibakomere, turi kumwe.
Asante, urakoze cyane. Reka duhereze uhagarariye abandi, ugire message ugenera abamama cyangwa se ababyeyi bo muri Amerika. Mushaka muhagarare hamwe mureke go mwitaze.
Murakoze cyane kongera kumpa ijambo. Message nabagenera uyu munsi niyo kubihanganisha, kuko twabujijwe uburenganzira twari kuba uyu munsi dufite, kuko uyu munsi twari kuba twishimye ariko ntitwishimye kubera ikibazo ca bene wacu bari gucamo cyangwa abamama bagenzi bacu. Rero message nabagenera uyu munsi abamama bose ku isi ni ukubihanganisha, ngo mwihangane mukomere, dukomeze dusenga Imana. Turabizi kuko Imana izaturenganura, kandi kuko hari igihe natwe tuzagira ibihe byiza. Bihangane kubura abana, bihangane kubura inshuti, bihangane kubura ababyeyi, bihangane kuba uyu munsi batari mu gihugu, ariko hari umunsi umwe twizera Imana, kuko Imana ishobora byose. Hari umunsi umwe bizarangira natwe tukagira umunsi wo kwishima. Murakoze cyane.
Tukaba rero tubihanganishije nuko byari bimeze, ariko n'ahandi hose mwagiye mureba ukuntu ababyeyi bahagurutse bakamagana leta ya gisegeti cyangwa se leta ya Congo ndetse n'abambari n'abandi bakorana n'ibihugu bakorana mu kwica abanyamurenge ku isi hose. Wari umunezero, ariko ku bagore b'abatutsi n'abagore b'abanyamurenge ho ni amarira n'agahinda. Twagiye tureba ahatandukanye uko babikoze, haba muri Kenya, muri Afurika, muri Amerika, muri state zitandukanye ndetse no mu Burayi. Tukaba rero tubihanganishije kandi tuvuga ngo nta joro ridaca, nta mvura idahita, nk'uko babyivugiye bati umurengezi wacu ni Imana. Reka rero tubiharire Imana, ariko kandi tugire amaboko yo kwigwanaho. Murakoze, ibihe byiza. Bazakurikira ikiganiro kuri Turino, turabakunda kandi turabazirikana. Murabeho.